Hi there. Right, just gonna showcase this Casio watch today. Get this watch opened. It has been out of the box before. And that's the box that it comes in. That's the tin. Nice strong tin, which a lot of these Casio G-Shock watches come included with. So that's the tin there. That's the tin. Okay, let's move along. Out of the packet so you can have a closer look. Let's get that tag out of the bag. Okay, let's get that moved over. Right, let's take these plastic strips off here first. Just protect the watch in transit, I believe. Let's get that off there. Let's also take this plastic off here. Like I said, it has been off before. Move that to the side there. That's the tag. Okay. Okay, that's the watch there. Let's give you a closer look. Let's move it up here so you can see the face. Oh, let's get it in position. There you go. Show you all the angles. Move it from side to side. Show you from that side there. Show you on this side. Trying to move it a bit closer without this camera going out of focus. Okay. That's the strap there. Just show you the back of the watch. Okay, this Casio watch is the GST B100D 1AER. It's from Casio's G Steel lineup, and it's fully analog. It does have the Bluetooth Smart Link, which you can hook up to most mobile phones, mobile smartphones. It's got a number of features with this bad boy. A few being it's solar powered. It's got the obvious, like I mentioned previously, it's got the Bluetooth connectivity, and I will most likely list the other features in the bottom of the video, and yeah, it can be googled as well, to be honest with you. But yeah, it's got the mineral glass which protects it from getting scratched easily. Just there, that's the glass there. It's got the stainless steel band, so this is all stainless steel, solid band there. Face has got a luminous coating inside, which provides you illumination just after a short exposure of sunlight. The hands do stop working on this model at night. The reason being is it's just to save on battery power. And once it's back in daylight, it does activate back to the position, or back to the time it was originally set at. It does have a light on it. If I can get it going there. Ooh. There we go. That's the light there. It is pretty powerful, bearing in mind there is a fair amount of light in this little room that I have. So actually I might just turn it off so you can have a closer look. So I'll just turn the lights off here. Alright. There you go. See, that's pretty bright, is that? As you can see. I'll just turn these lights back on. Yeah, it's also water resistant up to 200 meters, which allows for pretty much most uses. Deep sea diving, you can go swimming with it, and yeah, so it weighs approximately 184 grams. So I wouldn't say it's too heavy, but I wouldn't at the same time say it's too light. So it just comes about roughly in the middle. So it's, you know, please don't expect it to be a light watch, and don't expect it to be too much of a heavy watch, because it's approximately 184 grams, as I've just mentioned. Strap can be adjusted. This part you can do yourself. So you just if you just get a needle, there's that pin there, just push it down, and you can and pop it at the bottom as well. And just be careful as you pull the strap out, because the pin there can fly out, and if you're not careful, it can pretty much disappear. You can end up right on the other side of the room, and you just won't be able to find it. So it's very important that you just pop your hand over while you move the strap out of position, and just move it along into the other positions just there, and then just push it back and pop the pin back in its position. And that's pretty much it on that one there. I will give you some dimensions on this particular watch. Just get the old ruler out. Right, so the width on this one is approximately, let's see, about 5.3 centimeters is the width, and the length on this one, we'll just measure it from this point to that point, and that's approximately, let's see, that's approximately 5 centimeters there as well. And let's get the depth on this one, and the depth on that one is about 1.2 centimeters again on the depth there. And yeah, it's all in all, it's a solid watch, as you can expect from the Casio G-Shock range, and will last a long time. And I will give you another, I will bring it up again so you can have a closer look, just in case you did miss it the first time. So here we go, let's bring it back up to the camera. Let's bring it even further if we can. Right, there you go. I've tried my best to show it the best I could, and if you like the video, please say so at the bottom. If you don't like it, please also say, so I'd like to improve these videos as I go along. And I hope you have a lovely day, and thanks for watching. Thank you and goodbye.